Welcome to Philips Live, and thanks for joining us for this demonstration.
Hello, I'm Dave Evans, Clinical Marketing Manager for Philips RDT. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share with you some insights about IntelliSpace Corsium and the key role it plays in providing telemedicine capabilities between EMS providers and cardiologists. IntelliSpace Corsium is a cloud-based telemedicine monitoring system for real-time patient data transfer and two-way communication. Enables users of our Tempus Pro pre-hospital monitor to quickly share data. It can connect on-scene care providers in real time with the cardiologist in the cath lab to collaborate, supporting them to make confident, accurate and timely decisions. More actionable data is reliably available through proprietary data transmission technologies, allowing 12-lead ECG and patient vitals to be securely shared from scene. Reviewed in IntelliSpace Corsium for two-way consultation, enabling rapid clinical and transport decisions. IntelliSpace Corsium is cloud-based and therefore supports computers, tablets and smartphones, regardless of the operating system. Patient data can be viewed in a web browser, providing a responsive app-like experience without the need for additional software being installed. When coupled with centralized device and user management, this makes it cost-effective to deploy and manage. I'm now going to log in and demonstrate how IntelliSpace Corsium can help facilitate early diagnosis and minimize delay between diagnosis and primary PCI. On the screen, we have the IntelliSpace Corsium web browser. When you click Login, it takes you to the user profile. I'm now going to bring in a virtual Tempus Pro pre-hospital monitor for the purpose of this demonstration, and this is on the right-hand side of the screen. IntelliSpace Corsium consists of several clinical dashboards: ECG dashboard, live dashboard, historical dashboard, and the resuscitation dashboard. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to focus on the ECG dashboard, which enables real-time review of the 12-lead ECG, providing bidirectional communication between the ECG reviewer and the on-scene care provider. On the Tempus Pro monitor, which has been used by the on-scene care provider, we're going to capture a 12-lead ECG and send it to IntelliSpace Corsium for review. Whilst the device is capturing the 12-lead, I'd like to tell you about our unique communication capabilities, which means you can have confidence that you will receive the 12-lead reliably and securely. We have a proprietary transmission protocol which was developed with the military and works on mobile networks with poor network coverage when other solutions may fail. You'll now see that the static diagnostic 12-lead has arrived on the screen. The 12-lead can be automatically sent to the cath lab, or the user can manually choose the destination if needed. The 12-lead transmission for the Tempus Pro monitor has been sent to IntelliSpace Corsium and arrived in the cath lab for review. The incoming ECG causes the status bar to flash orange, and a sound alert is also generated to raise awareness to the care. By selecting the incoming transmission, the 12-lead is viewable on the screen, and the layout can be changed depending on the user's preferences. You can average the complex, you can remove filters, you can change the gain size or the display speed of the ECG. Additional 12 leads can be viewed to get historical comparisons. And when ready, the ECG can be reviewed. Feedback can be selected and sent back with comments to the on-scene care provider. This information is automatically captured and saved in the summary record of care of the Tempus Pro monitor and within IntelliSpace Corsium for post-event audit and review. As you can see, the Tempus Pro monitor receives the feedback, generating an audible alert and message. Once the message is opened, the comments from the cath lab can be reviewed and acknowledged. The on-scene care provider can acknowledge the message or decline the message and can state the ETA to the centre. This information will actually be updated in real time in the cath lab here on the screen, tagged to the patient. Following viewing of the 12 lead, the continuous patient's waveforms and summary record of care can be viewed prior to the patient's arriving if needed. This will allow you to see the current status of the patient en route to hospital, including live waveform data and real-time vital signs. Patient information can be viewed with name, weight, allergies, any body map information that may have been completed by the user. The summary record of care can be viewed, showing additional information about the patient and, for example, that this patient has had a shock, and their waveform can be seen pre-shock and post-shock. Trending data can be viewed for the length the patient has been connected to the monitor for all the individual vital signs. And if the camera has been used, then images from the camera can be viewed. And here we have images from the scene of the RTC that the patient was involved in, and also the waveforms from the defibrillator. All this information can be exported into third-party EPCR systems. And here's an example of the data that can be generated. Including snapshots from the screen, defib data, trending data, photos, body maps, and individual vital signs in 1-minute increments. In summary, IntelliSpace Corsium makes a real difference. It enables users to quickly share data and collaborate, real-time patient data transfer with two-way communication. And IntelliSpace Corsium is cloud-based and therefore supports computers, tablets, and smartphones regardless of the operating system. It's web browser-based and requires no additional software to be installed. Thank you for your time. And if you need any further information, have any questions, then please contact me via my email address below. Thank you.
Very interesting. Ready to learn more? Then connect with us to set up a meeting to discuss how we can help you solve your challenges.